Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the legendary Massey Ferguson 1035D, an old model that still holds a strong place in the hearts of many farmers. Known for its reliability, simple design, and durability, the 1035D was built to last, and even today, you'll find it working smoothly in fields across the country. This tractor is powered by a 3-cylinder diesel engine that produces around 31 horsepower. It may not sound like much by today's standards, but for small and medium farming tasks, it gets the job done perfectly. Whether it's plowing, tilling, or hauling, the 1035D handles it all with ease. One of the key reasons behind its popularity is its low maintenance cost. Parts are easily available, and even basic mechanics can repair it without needing advanced tools. The fuel efficiency is also impressive, making it a cost-effective choice for farmers. Its simple design gives it a classic look. No fancy electronics or modern complications, just pure mechanical power. The steering is smooth, and the gearbox is easy to operate, even for beginners. It has 6 forward and 2 reverse gears, which provide good control and flexibility for different types of fieldwork. Even though it's an older model, many people still prefer the 1035D over newer tractors because of its trusted performance and long life. If you've ever driven one, you know how satisfying and powerful it feels. Let us know in the comments if you or someone you know has used this tractor. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more farming content. Thanks for watching.